everyone, I'm Trista. Welcome to GONSIN's booth at ISLE2026 Shenzhen. GONSIN is an AI conference ecosystem provider. ISLE is the International Smart Display and Integrated System Exhibition. Now, I would like to showcase GONSIN's Smartly Conference Management Platform, which integrates 6 core AI technologies. It integrates with the central control system to display real-time temperature and humidity data, as well as the power status and operational conditions of all conference terminals. The platform is also connected to ASR system, enabling real-time display of meeting minutes with integrated management, interconnected data, and instant feedback. It delivers full process intelligent conference management. Next, let's take a look at our flagship solution, the 10,000N wide and wireless conference system. The microphone stem features an upgrade matte finish with dual indicators, greatly enhancing its premium texture. And the most powerful feature is the integration of AI technologies, such as AI simultaneous interpretation, AI noise reduction, AI speech recognition, and more. Last but not the least, let's explore Paperless Conference System with multiple installation methods, such as tablet terminal, foldable terminal, lifting terminal, and desktop terminal, supporting Windows and Android systems. This time, we introduced the new form of paperless terminal, the chair-mounted Paperless Conference Terminal. The system is designed to meet the needs of diverse conference scenarios, significantly enhancing meeting efficiency. What we are showcasing here is not just individual products, but a complete, integrated, and scalable AI-powered conference ecosystem solution.